How you doing? Hey, this is Chris from It's for Education. Hey, I just wanted to show you guys something. I'm putting synthetic ice down in my garage for my son. He's quite the skater, so trying to get him something to practice on during this whole quarantine thing and everything. Our ice rink still has not reopened, so I need him to start doing something. He's been off for quite some time now. But first of all, I did wash my garage floor. I was just going to show you that real quick. You can kind of get a lot of stuff in one video. This is a Briggs and Stratton that I got from Lowe's. Goes on your pressure washer. Okay, it's kind of cool. And don't let anybody say it doesn't work. It does work. I have a, I use a 2500 PSI power washer, and it works just fine. It's not going to get your garage floor spotless, but it'll get all the dirt up. It did a nice job. There was actually some, I know back when my dad cut himself out in my garage and there were some blood stains on the floor. I actually got those up. I was surprised. I used a little dish detergent and some water too. And this thing has brushes on it, so when you're moving the power washer, you push just a little bit on it, just a little lightly, and it'll scrub your floor. And then and these spin around as power washer goes. It does a really good job, and if your power washer connects right to there, it already has a piece inside, so you're already set. I just wanted you to see that. It works pretty cool. Definitely worth it. It was like 70 bucks. I think it was like $70. So, but it saved me a lot of time. I mean, my floor is clean. And I bought some other stuff from Amazon as well. And I'll link everything in, so you can find it. This may even be on Amazon's site. This Briggs and Stratton, I'll link that in too. Maybe you get it cheaper. I needed it pretty quick. So yeah, so that worked really well. I've been pulling the cars in a couple days already since I've washed the floor. So I am definitely going to vacuum up in there real quick with a shop vac. It's already clean, but just to make sure everything's off the floor. I'm going to get into another review. Obviously, you have to keep your skates sharp, okay, when you're using synthetic ice. I bought a Sparks. Haven't opened it yet. I took it out of the box, but obviously you can see it's still brand new. I'm going to review that when I sharpen his skates for the first time. Okay, maybe I'll go through the whole setup of it and everything like that. I think they have videos out there anyway, but I can show you. So yeah, I've gone the whole yards. The Sparks thing, I did buy the edge checker. I bought the Sparks unit itself and the grinding wheels. Now, if your kid's playing hockey, this thing was about $1,000. But if your kid's playing hockey and you want to have his skates sharpened all the time, or even if they're just figure skating or whatever, that's the thing to buy. If you don't want to keep waiting for a pro shop and have them sharpen your skates, this thing's supposed to be dynamite. I mean, it's supposed to sharpen like you wouldn't believe. But that's going to be another video. I'm not going to do that in this one. So I just wanted you to be aware that that's going to be one of my videos, okay? But I'll get to it on the synthetic ice in a minute, okay? It's going to be a little bit of work. I'll see you in a bit.